Do your best and move. Allah does not need your act of worship. You need it in order to get the mercy of Allah. To get the mercy of Allah, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to try your best. That's all. You will never be perfect. You want the mercy of Allah, try your best. That's enough. I want to go to paradise. I will try my best. I will go on holiday. When I go on holiday, I try my best. People asking me, I'm going to Bali. You are going. Are you sure there is halal food there? I said, yes. MashaAllah. Abu Nawas is down the road, right? MashaAllah. Allah bless you. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Am I right or wrong? You see, everyone knows the place. MashaAllah. So people say, but we didn't see. I said, if you search for it, you will find it, right? You have so many. I can name you a few more. Can I name another one? Have you visited Ratu Timur? You see, I know the names, right? Subhanallah, because we are all interested. Where is the halal food? Where is this place, and we know what it is. You're on holiday, what do? You try your best. I always say, don't miss your prayer.